Welcome back to my channel Radha Maths Classes. Today I'm going to explain you question number 17 part 2nd from exercise 6.2 ratio and proportion, and the question is if A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to E upon F, prove that A cube plus C cube whole square upon B cube plus D cube whole square is equal to E to the power 6 upon F to the power 6. Right? Since it has been given that A upon B, it is equal to C upon D, it is equal to E upon F, right? The value of these three ratios are equal, but we don't know what is the value of these ratios. Let us consider that each one of the ratios is equal to K, right? It means this A upon B is equal to K, C upon D is equal to K, and E upon F is equal to K. A upon B is equal to K implies that A is equal to BK. Similarly, this C upon D is equal to K implies that C is equal to DK. I am shifting this D to RHS, right? And this E upon F, it is equal to K implies that E is equal to FK, right? Now, I am taking LHS. The LHS is A cube plus C cube whole square upon this B cube plus D cube whole square. I can write this as A cube plus C cube upon B cube plus D cube whole square, right? As you know that this A square upon B square, you can write down as A upon B whole square, right? So I have written this line as this. Okay. Now I am putting the value of A and C, right? A is BK, means BK whole cube. C means DK whole cube upon, I am not changing the denominator, okay? B cube plus D cube whole square, right? Now this B cube K cube and DK whole cube means D cube K cube, right? You know that this AB to the power n is equal to A to the power n, B to the power n. That is, if AB whole cube, it's A cube, B cube, right? And this B cube plus D cube whole square. Now, this take out K cube as a common factor. Inside the bracket, you will get this B cube plus D cube, and in the denominator, B cube plus D cube, right? This is D cube. This B cube plus D cube cancels this B cube plus D cube. Now, this K cube to the power 2, that is K to the power 6. You know that A to the power M to the power N, it is equal to A to the power Mn. Suppose we are having A to the power 2 to the power 3, you have to multiply these powers, that is A to the power 3 to the 6. So, I have applied the same thing over here. 3 and 2, you have to multiply these two numbers, K to the power 6. This is the LHS. Now, I am taking RHS, right? RHS is E to the power 6 upon F to the power 6, right? And we know that the value of E is FK. FK to the power 6 upon F to the power 6. This F to the power 6 and K to the power 6 upon K to the power 6. This K to the, F to the power 6, right? This F to the power 6 cancels this F to the power 6, and we are left with K to the power 6. LHS is K to the power 6 and RHS is also K to the power 6. So, we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Thank you.